Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Naomi. Welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review on the new Louis Vuitton BumBag. So I've literally just picked it up today. It was the last one in Harrods and it was £1,300. So obviously you do get it in the lovely Louis Vuitton box. And you obviously get like the authenticity card and everything like that in it. And because I bought it in store, I got the whole experience with it too. So when you open the box, you get your dust bag, and then you obviously get the bag as well. I do really like the boxes that they come into because you get their magnetic clasp to them as well, which I find it a little bit more luxurious than a box that you obviously have to open. Inside you've got your bum bag. So this one is in the cream, and you get a zip just at the background here, which you can fit in a decent amount of stuff, which holds your authenticity card. You also get a main zip at the front, which is where you can get the majority of your belongings. You get a lovely suede in the middle, and it's a kind of warm chestnut. With the bag itself, you can hold it in many different ways. So you can have it either holding it by the handle on the top, you can hold it crossbody around the front, you can hold it on the side like an actual handbag, and also as a bum bag itself. So the bag is a grained cowhide leather, which has been obviously dyed to this cream colour, which I think is glorious. I also love how the actual Louis Vuitton pattern's embossed, so it's not actually hugely noticeable until you're up close. From a distance you can't really tell. I'll definitely do some up closes of this as well so you can see the actual pattern, the inside of the bag and the handle and everything like that. You obviously get the Louis Vuitton on all of the hardware. It is also a gold hardware, just so you can see. The strap is adjustable as well, so you have the fastening side as well with the buttons, kind of like a belt, and then you also have this side which you can make longer or shorter. I found that pretty much the shorter it is, the better it looked on me, because this was almost a little bit too long otherwise. I think a bum bag is such a versatile and such an on-trend piece right now that I think you just can't go wrong with, and this one was so hard to get that I think I probably even love it even more. They do it in black as well, and they do the classic brown one. I was very much drawn to the white because they already have a couple black bags, and I wanted something neutral still, but I didn't want it to be too overpowering if I wear colour. Overall, I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for it. I think it can hold a pretty substantial amount of product inside as well, but it's also not going to be too heavy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out one of my other videos that I'll leave linked here. And see you next time. Bye!